Good day. So today we are going to discuss about conservation of linear momentum and collisions. So the formula in finding the conservation of linear momentum is momentum 1 plus momentum 2 is equal to momentum 1 after plus momentum 2 after. Since the formula for momentum is mass times velocity, we can substitute mass and velocity to P. So the formula will be mass 1 times velocity 1 plus mass 2 times velocity 2 is equal to mass 1 times velocity 1 after plus mass 2 times velocity 2 after. So this will be the main formula in finding the conservation of linear momentum. Try the sample problems. So let us illustrate the problem. It said that there's a gun, and then you decided to fire a shot. And then after you fire a shot, the bullet, which is 60 grams, moved at a velocity of 275 meters per second east. And then after firing a shot, the gun had a recoil velocity of 3 meters per second west. So the question is what is the mass of the gun? So using the formula M1V1 plus M2V2 is equal to mass 1 velocity 1 after plus mass 2 velocity 2 after. So we will just substitute all the values in this formula. So M1 is missing, so we write M1, V1 is 0 plus M2, which is 0.06 kilograms, is multiplied to 0. So this one is this one. So let's first answer this. So the answer here is any value multiplied to 0 is 0. So the first equation or expression, the answer is 0. And then we will write this formula is equal to mass 1 after is still question mark, so mass 1 after times velocity 1 after, which is negative 3 meters per second, plus M2 after, this one 0.06 kilogram times the velocity 275 meters per second. So in here, you are going to multiply this one. So 0 is equal to M1 after negative 3 meters per second plus use your calculator to solve this. So 0.06 multiplied to 275 is equal to 16.5. So the answer here is 16.5 kilograms meters per second. So to cancel or to find M1 after, or the mass of the gun, we need to first transpose it here. So got M1. So this will be 3 meters per second. Since any value that is being transposed, its value will be its opposite. Since it's negative, it will be positive. So it's equal to 16.5 kilograms meters per second. So to find mass, we need to cancel 3 meters per second. Cancel also 3 meters per second. What you're gonna do is cancel this and this, cancel the units that are the same, then divide this. So 16.5 times or divided by 3 is 5.5. So the answer is mass 1 after is equal to 5.5 kilograms. Since mass 1 is equal to mass 1 after, then meaning mass 1 is also equal to 5.5 kilograms. And this is the mass of the gun. So try to answer this next one. So as usual, we are going to illustrate the problem again. It said that a 25,500 kilogram truck. So let's draw a truck. That is 25,500 kilogram is moving at a velocity of 20 meters per second. 20 meters per second. Then it suddenly collided with a parked car which has a mass of 15,000 kilograms. So the question is, what is the final velocity of the car after they collided? So the questions we are finding is V2 after. This is what we're gonna find. So using the formula, M1 V1 plus M2 V2 is equal to M1 V1 after plus M2 V2 after. Let's substitute first the values. So mass 1, we got 25,500 kilograms times 20 meters per second plus mass 2 is 15,000 kilograms is multiplied to 0 meters per second. So when you solve it, 25,500 times 20 is equal to 510,000. So we got 510,000 kilogram meters per second plus 15 times 0 is 0. So that. Next, we will substitute the value of this next term. So let's put the value here. So M1 is 25,500 kilogram times final velocity 0 plus mass 2 15,000 kilogram multiplied to the missing, so V2 after. So what we're gonna do here is, so this one is equal to 0 and plus 15,000 kilograms V2 after. So what we're gonna do next is join the equations together. So 510 kilograms is equal to this one, 15,000 kilograms V2 after. We will not include the zeros because they have no value. And then after this, you can find V2 after if you will cancel 15,000 kilograms. Oh wait, this is kilograms meters per second. So we will cancel the units, the same units, divide this, and then cancel off this. So the answer for this one is 510,000 divided by 15,000 is 34. So meaning 34 is equal to V2 after, or velocity of the car after the collision is equal to 34 meters per second. I hope you learned something from this lesson. Thank you and have a good day.